Ethereum says variant 2.0 of its organization is booked for discharge on 19th of September. Named the greatest occasion on the digital money showcases, Ethereum's change from the proof of work (POW) to the proof of stake (POS) agreement system has been deferred ordinarily previously. However, presently a date for the merge has been set. A positive change in financial backer opinion in 2021, and the rising ubiquity of decentralized applications, DApps, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi, helped Ether, ETH, Ethereum's local digital currency, flood over 400% in 2021, from as low as $730 toward the beginning of the year to more than $3,600 toward the finish of December 2021. The profoundly expected merge is supposed to assist ETH with arriving at its maintainability objectives, and further develop adaptability and security. In any case, how will it treat the cost, which has experienced a major fall this crypto winter? The merge, otherwise called Ethereum 2.0, has been on the radar of numerous crypto financial backers since it was first reported by Ethereum's CEO Vitalik Buterin in October 2018 at the DevCon meeting in Prague. Yet, before we look further into that, we should take a gander at what Ethereum is. Ethereum is a local area-run innovation that drives the Ether cryptographic money and large number of decentralized applications. Basically, it's a programmable blockchain that permits individuals to fabricate DApps on its organization because of its capacity to run savvy contracts. Yet, for what reason is there such a lot of discuss the merge? Right now, Ethereum is utilizing a POW agreement instrument to execute exchanges, very much like Bitcoin, BTC. Anyway, POW has various defects, for example, it being costly, goes through a ton of energy, which makes the stage not eco-accommodating, needs circle space and experiences stopped-up networks. Conversely, POS plans to make Ethereum safer, less energy concentrated and better for carrying out new scaling arrangements. Initially known as Peacefulness in Death 2, the overhaul has been in dynamic improvement starting around 2014. As per Buterin, the change includes a lot of various elements that Ethereum has been discussing for a long time, exploring for quite some time, effectively working for quite some time, that are at last going to meet up into this one reasonable entirety. We possess all hung tight a long energy for the merge and I accept it is something extraordinary. Because of the Ethereum merge, the blockchain will become 99.5% more energy proficient in the wake of shedding its Igor for power confirmation of work agreement system. The merge is likewise accepted to diminish handling times, lower exchange charges, and help the blockchain scale from now on. This will be a major hauler for the entire crypto local area as we are endeavoring to be all the more harmless to the ecosystem. For me this is its main part. Hence, any reasonable person would agree that the Ethereum merges may be the main redesign throughout the entire existence of cryptographic forms of money. Many Ethereum executioner blockchains as of now utilize the POS agreement system, including Polkadot, DOT, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, SOL. This is an extremely bullish improvement for Ethereum in the long haul, with most of examiners in understanding that this is the course that will best guarantee ETH is very much put to follow through on its colossal potential, said Invez information expert Dan Ashmore. Since its send-off in 2015, ETH has seen extraordinary progress in the crypto market as it flooded to turn into the second greatest advanced resource by market capitalization, behind just BTC. As of the hour of composing, 29th of August, the coin had a market capitalization in overabundance of $177 billion. ETH doesn't have a greatest inventory, a limitless number of coins can be mined. More than 122 million ETHs are as of now available for use. Throughout the long term, the Ether cost has encountered various ruts and pinnacles. Its most memorable pinnacle came in 2017 when ETH flooded by around 7,400% from $18.62 on March 4, 2017 to its then all-time high of $1,396.42 on January 13, 2018. The pinnacle didn't keep going long as the resources cost fell back to under $100 toward the finish of 2018. After almost 2 years of exchanging level, Ether got its speed in 2020 as the DeFi market started to grow quickly. By May 11, 2021, the coin arrived at its second most huge cost climb, flooding to $4,168.70, up 827% in only a half year from the past low of $450. In the wake of tumbling to $1,787.51 on July 20, 2021, it rose by around 170% to its ongoing all-time high of $4,812.09 on November 8, 2021. 2022 has been an unforgiving year for ETH as well as other digital currencies. Economies have experienced the impacts of Russia's intrusion of Ukraine, rising energy costs and the accident of the previous Terra UST stablecoin. Following 10 successive long stretches of falling between April 4, 2022 and June 18, 2022, ETH had lost more than 70% of its worth, heading down from $3,500 to $990. The cryptographic money is as of now esteemed at $1,447.69, almost 70% down from its November all-time high. Notwithstanding the most recent descending cost activity, calculation-based determining administration gave a bullish ETH/USD expectation at the hour of composing, 29th of August. The site noticed that ETH is a wonderful long-haul venture, adding that it has a long-haul procuring potential adding up to 405.45%. In light of its examination of past cost execution, Ethereum to US dollar gauge noticed that in a year, the coin could be esteemed at $2,632.47. In 5 years, it's supposed to outperform $7,000. ETH/USD, what has been molding the pair's future? One of the greatest market drivers in 2022 is U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, financial arrangement. The Fed has taken areas of strength for and on bringing expansion levels in the U.S. down to the 2% objective. In any case, the most recent U.S. CPI information shows that U.S. expansion is presently, 29th of August, at 8.5%. Albeit down from the past 40-year record of 9.1%, the Fed is quick to keep up with the speed of financial fixing. If your crypto speculations see some additional instability after the forthcoming gathering, you can thank the Federal Reserve, as it very well may be the 5th successive increment of rate starting from the beginning of the year, Artek and Kleindo Sadgian noted. Mike